I am a human, but I'm also the one who stands at the pinnacle of all races. I'm one of the 7 deadly sins, the sin of pride, and my name is Lion Sin Escanor.
Who are you to utter such arrogance?
Now you ask. I am Escanor, the Lion Sin.
Simply deplorable. Well, I am Ludociel, the leader of the 4 archangels of the Goddess Clan.
And I couldn't care less. Why should I bear any hatred towards someone who's obviously weaker than myself? As of this moment, you're face to face with Escanor, the Lion Sin of Pride.
That's simple. Because he's the most powerful man in the 7 deadly sins.
Who decided that? Your darkness swallowed up my son? Who decided that? I will be the one to decide.